everybody on YouTube. This is MK the Truth, DLDBENT. Got a good looking pair of 23s for us to take a look at today. If you guys are new to this channel, please, you got to come on and join my squad. Also connect to my Instagram. It is the_truth_MK. Also, ladies and gentlemen, all music is produced by me, DLDB. And I use them as background music on this channel. Now, before we get started, I got to tell you guys, that this particular review is for educational purposes only. This is only my analysis. Then I jump on up out of here. So I have a pair of 23s. I love the 23, if you didn't know. Wish they had more colorways. Hopefully they bring them out again and start releasing some more. Don't know why they came in this box. This is the, I forget the name of this box right there. But I'm here for this. Ooh. Let's go ahead and put these beauties to the side. Now let's talk about these right quick. Now this is the Premier Finale Air Jordan 23. Now I know some of you might be looking at these and like, hey, MK, hey, those look a little bit different than I remember. That's because they are. Now I don't know if these are coming back out and will be slightly altered or not, but they are a bit different. Now if I might throw a picture up, maybe not, I can just tell you guys what it is. So I like these a lot better than what they are supposed to be. Now what they're supposed to be is a suede or nubuck on this upper. Wasn't really a fan of this print back in the day, but I actually really like it now. But you do have a swap with a very nice genuine piece of beautiful tumbled leather with some thick stitching, thick red stitching. Also, you have towards the front a material that has also been flip-flopped. Got a little bit of schmutz there. I'll get that off later. The materials has been flipped around, so the letters have that glossy, but the under material is like sort of a stirbuck, and that's supposed to be like a patent leather, whereas the letters are supposed to be more of like, you know, that matte look. So it's got a flip-flop there, and I actually do like that a lot better as well. I think this is a better looking shoe than what the Premier Finale is supposed to be, and I believe the red down here is supposed to be like that really dark sort of blood red, and I like this color a little bit more. I'm not saying it just to say it, that's just what it is. Anyway, flip around to the top. This is the same material that it's supposed to be, like that nubuck on the top. Of course, you got the perforations all over the top. 23 lasered into the tongue, as well as his thumbprint. Very nice touch. Thank you, Tinker. Then you got the Jump Boy on the inside in gold with the circle. Flip around to the medial side. I just love this shoe. It's just such a dope shoe. Slept on. They should have done more colorways of here. I don't know if this is for like when he runs to slow him down or something. I don't know, but you can see that this is a real leather right there. Very dope. Very nice piece of leather wrapped around the shoe. And of course you got that nice lacing system. You got some very well padded guts in black with some sort of a satin hits on the inside. Just a very nice looking shoe. And then on the bottom, of course, you got his thumbprint again, and then his thumbprint again. I believe these are independent zoom pods, if I'm not mistaken. Somebody get in the comment section down below and let me know. Or these are supposed to be for his toe or something. I believe, yeah. Anyway, you got a big pause carbon fiber shank plate down at the bottom. These are absolutely stunning. Like I said, these are completely altered. Actually, they're completely altered. So the color of the red is altered, the materials altered here and here. Like I said, I don't know if these are coming back out to look like this, because when I review stuff like this 2 years later, they show up saying they're coming out, so I'm not sure. Anyway, nothing too crazy. Love the print. Like I said, didn't really care for that before, but I think it really looks good now. The shoe is aging really good. Maybe it was ahead of its time. It's a very futuristic kind of looking design. Hey, I like this little glass. That's in my Beamer. That's in my 7 series. Hey, you got this little glass effect there. I like that. That's pretty dope. I mean, I knew that was there, but I'm just saying, I just like the way that looks. Always like the way that looks. Anyway, very well put together and designed sneaker. I mean, who else? Tinker Hatfield designed the shoe. It's always going to be dope when he does it. Wish he would get back on board and start designing some more, man. They need him bad. Anyway, this has been the review of the Air Jordan 23, which is supposed to be the premiere finale. These look way better than what the actual shoe is supposed to look like. I mean, way better. And it's just a simple material swap. If I find a picture, I'm gonna put it up. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about these down below. This is MK the Truth, DODBENT. I love y'all. I'm out.